Everyone on the internet dreams of making easy money, but 90% of people are hammering the wrong deal. If you think you are going to reach quick by doing data entry, freelancing all day, or emotional crypto trading, you are literally doing donkey's work. Just look at the math on the screen. Last year when a new crypto project called Arbitrum launched, they gave regular people a free gift of $1,500 to $2,000 and Airdrop just for using their website once. You might have gotten that $2,000 and jumped for joy. But in the dark underground of the internet, some smart coders were laughing because they did not do it manually. They sat in their bedrooms and used a bot to do the exact same things across 100 fake accounts. They literally waked up with $20,000 and they did the whole thing while sleeping. Today I am going to show you one of the darkest, most highly profitable and secretive hacks on the internet. In the crypto world, this money printing system is called Sybil Farming or Web3 Automation. In the Web3 or blockchain space, where a new network launches, they distribute millions of dollars worth of tokens for free as a marketing strategy. The only condition, you have to enter their network and make a few transactions or swap some dollars. A regular person does this manually using their metaverse wallet. But smart money does not just sit there with one wallet. They think, if I get $2,000 with one wallet, what if I automate transaction across 100 wallets? That is $20,000. But here is the problem. If you open a standard Chrome browser on your laptop, the project servers will instantly flag your computer's IP and MAC address and ban you forever. This is exactly where dark technology entered the chart. Anti-detects browser like AdsPower or Dolphin Anty. This software creates 100 isolated browser profile right inside your PC. By combining this with residual proxies, it gives you every single profile a different country IP and a completely unique computer identity. The project servers generally believe that 100 completely different human beings from 100 different countries using their network. Now let's talk about the real automation. It is impossible for a human to manually log into 100 or 500 wallet every single day to click it out. So these framers use Pythons and libraries like Web3.py or Selenium. They code a bot or script that the moment you hit enter, automatically open the browser. Log into the wallet, swap a random amount of dollars at random time, log out and move the next wallet. You could be drinking coffee or watching movie. With your Python bot is generating transaction volume across 100 wallets for you. But hold a second. As magical as this easy money stories sound, there is a very dark side to it. In 2026, the project is incredibly smart. They are now using artificial intelligence and on-chain data trackers. If you make the stupid mistake of sending gas money from your main Binance account to these 100 wallets, the AI will trace that string of transaction and track you down instantly. If they catch any specific patterns in your bot's behavior, all hundreds of your wallets will be tagged as a Sybil and blacklisted. And the thousands of dollars you burn on gas fees to round those $100, that goes to zero in all seconds. Sybil Frame is not a get-rich quick scheme. It is an advanced gaming of data engineering and cybersecurity. In my next video, I am going to show you how you can build this exact type of data automation using only no-code tools, without knowing how to code and legally sell it B2B client. Make sure you hit the subscribe. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.